This is a session of Power Query. How do we use the Power Query? So it is very important for accountants to know how to use the Power Query. So Power Query is normally used to combine several sheets. For example, if you look at here, I have worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3, and worksheet number 4. So you realize when it comes to the data analysis, maybe you want to come up with a summarized report. What do you need to do? You need to combine this sheet 1 up to sheet number 4. So once you have combined now this different worksheet, then now you can come up with a summarized data by using another function, which is called the sum if function. So I will going to show you today how to use it. And we will start with the Power Query. So let's have a look at that Power Query. This is our data. If you look at this is our data. I will going to go to File, Blank, and then go to Data. Able to see all the working. So I said I go to Data from Excel. And then I will import from my folder, and then click Import. So let's wait to load. Let's wait to load. We give time. We give time. We give time. So it is very important for accountant to know how to use this Power Query. So once you have this Power Query, you realize these are the Excel worksheet I have. 2024, 2023, and 2024. So if you click once, you will see the sample or the preview on your right side. So this is what the data entails. So this is what the data entails. You only need to click one column, not all of them. You don't need to select all of them. You just click one, and then to go to transform data. Go to transform data. So once you have clicked this transform data and you get these values, you will get a lot of information here. Like on your left, you can see we have the change type. We also have the promoted headers, and also we have navigation and the source. We want to delete all of them. So I will click that X to delete. I'll also click that X to delete, and then delete also the navigation. So once you delete that, you realize you only remain with the type or the name, the data one, the item, the kind, and hidden. So we want to remove the hidden one. Right click that, and then click remove. Kind also you need to remove. Right click and then click remove. Item we don't need, remove. Now we are remaining with only two items, item name and the data. Item name and the data. If you look at that data, there's two arrows. There's two arrows, which we can click that arrow to view the columns we have. So I click that, and we can see we have from column 1 to column 5. So you click OK. And once you click OK, you realize we have combined all the data, and this is what we have. This is what we have. So I will going to close and load the data. So you go to File, and then click Close and Load. Close and load. So let's wait to load our data. Here we are. So once this data has been loaded, it has been now combined, and it been arranged according to the what? The years, or in alphabetical order. So you find that we have 2023 up to 2024. So this is our data. This is our data. You can preview here to check whether you have all the information. So that's how to combine it. Now we have combined all the sheet from all the 4 worksheets. So if you want now to do the summation, you can still work on this, or you can click on this side, Control C to copy, paste in a new worksheet, Control Alt V, and then values, put the values. So you realize these are the data and these are the dates. So what do we need to do? We change the date format. You can see we have them in numbers. We want to change into date. you go to data or home tab, and then go to numbers, and then select date, and then put the format of the date you wish. This one is much better, and then click that. You will see now we have these are the dates. So for the purpose of, I will not going to work on entire data, but I will just work on 2024, a bit of it, so that we can be able to see the report which we are going to get. But I'm not going to work on the entire data. It will take us the all day. So these are 2024 and 2023. Also, we have 2024 year. So what I can do, I need now to get years and month. You remember the Excel formula we have been learning before under our advanced Excel class, the text function. So the text function is very important here. So I will introduce a new column here, another column, and then write years. And then we'll have months. And then I will have now the text function equals the text. It will ask me the value. The value is our date, comma. Put the opening quotation. And then we need here. So we'll be using 4y. So 4y. And then close that, close the bracket to show us this is 2023. Scroll it down. We don't need even up to there. We only need up to 2024. And then from there, we can get the months. We'll have using the same text function. This is our, we can start with this equals text, which is this one, comma. And then now we're using month. So put 4 months and then close the bracket. That, so this is October. Drag it downward. You will get that. So let's get a bit of summarized information. So also we need to write accounts here. We need to write accounts. Remember, these are the combined accounts. So we can't have here the accounts, but I'm just doing the sample. I'm not going to write all of them. Accounts. So we say this is rent, salaries, and then we have that is meals. We have stationaries. We'll have a transport. So maybe we can also copy in 2024. So here we also have rent. We also have salaries for 2024. We also have, what else do we have? We also have 2024 here. We also have transport. Yeah, we also have transport. So that is enough. That is enough. That is enough. That is enough. Maybe this transport also, we can copy in this column so that we can use this column. So having this, we can get a summarized information here. So click, copy this, and then paste in a new worksheet. Paste here, remove the, we need to paste as values. So Alt V and paste as values. Remove the duplicates, go to data, remove our duplicates, click OK. So now we only need 2024 and 2023. So where are they? So delete these. We don't need this. We only need this. And then 2023, 2024. Cut these and paste up here. Also this, cut this, Control X and paste it here. So we only need 2024 and 2023. So go back to the data, which is in worksheet 2. So let's see, we have the October, we have value in October. We also have values in where, so we can have, so that we can know exactly which one are we going to use. Yeah, we can even have that for October. So if we copy October here and then paste here, where is our worksheet? Yes. So we can have the month of October here. Control Alt V, paste the values. So that I'm showing you that you can continue working on it and you will get your information right. So for this, I just need to say equals the sum if I'm using the sum ifs with S. So it will ask me the sum range. Our sum range is this column, that column, and then we locked with F4, comma. The first criteria range is month, So you go back to this. This is our first criteria range. Locked that with F4 key, put a comma. The criteria, the first criteria is this one, October. And then locked that, we need to start with a dollar sign so that if we copy the formula across, we will remain with the columns, but the rows, it will keep on changing. So I will start with a dollar sign and then put a comma. It will ask me the second criteria is years, which it is this one, and then locked that also, and then put a comma. It will ask you the criteria. The criteria is that one, and then also this one, we need to put the dollar in the middle. That is it, and then click enter. You get the value there. You get the value. So if you drag downward here, you will get also for 2024. You also get for 2024. If you need the accounts, then you can put account also here. So you can see we have already gotten the value of October for 2024 and 2023. So you can extract as many reports as possible, so long as you have combined the data, and you can now apply other advanced Excel to see. So thank you for watching, and kindly comment, subscribe, and ask a question. Recording stop.